3 things I do before any and every video shoot. These are the 3 things that elevate my videos to business cinema. Stay tuned to find out what they are. I talk about all things business cinema, which is video with a plan, a purpose, a system, and a strategy, not just creating video for the sake of creating video. So if you want to learn more about how to create your very own business cinema, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and then click the bell so you can get notified when new videos go live. So what are the 3 things that I do before every and any video shoot that help me create business cinema and not just video? The first thing is I prep my video production list. On days I like to shoot, I batch together tons of videos. So I record a bunch of videos at the same time so that I'm making the most of my time, my hair, my makeup, and I'm making sure to take advantage of an entire shoot day. So there is a lot of planning that goes into this day. I manage it all through the Business Cinema Production Planner. This is what really helps me stay on track and keep everything organized so that I can record 5, 6, 10 videos in one day if I want. So here is my video production list. This is the list that I use to keep track of all of my videos I want to shoot, because when you're shooting multiple videos, it's easy to lose track of files and get confused on what you were working on and did you get the thumbnail and all these different things. So this helps me stay super organized. The second thing I do is I prep my equipment. This is something I do every single time because if something isn't working or not charged, it can ruin the entire shoot, which is why I have a checklist on top of my video production list to help remind me of all the things that I need to check before I start rolling on my video day. What do I mean by prep my equipment? I mean, make sure that the batteries are full, my cards are clear, make sure that my lights are working, make sure that my mic is fully charged and I have fresh batteries. I check out anything that could possibly go wrong and potentially ruin the shoot. For the third thing, I prep myself because you have to look presentable, whatever that means to you. I don't normally wear a full face of makeup, but I'm not sitting in my office working with like full makeup and lashes on every single day. No. But when it's time to record some videos, I actually put, full face of makeup on. Sometimes I do eyelashes, sometimes I don't. It's a personal choice. The key here is you get to choose whatever you're comfortable with. Sometimes I go and get a blowout. Sometimes I do my hair myself, just to make sure that it doesn't look crazy or I look like I just woke up. This is everything that goes into creating business cinema. There's a lot of planning involved. Everything you're doing is being done for a reason, and everything has to be on point with the bigger picture, so your video goals. Every step in your video journey counts as a step in the right direction when you're planning and organizing all of your shoots. So, if you want to check out the Business Cinema Production Planner, I've included a link to that in the description below. Again, this is how I keep track of all my stuff. And if you liked this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to this channel. And remember, you're someone's reason to smile, so don't give up.